Hello to all my dear lovely kids. How are you all? I just hope that you all are taking good care of yourself. You're not going out of the home and staying at your home and completing all your work on time. See children, we teachers are providing you the study materials. Okay, so just make use of it. Take advantage of it and just watch the videos very carefully. Okay. See children, today in this video, I'm going to give you a worksheet, okay? As we have done with the chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Computers, okay? We have done the exercises, questions and all, okay? So today, we will be going to do the worksheets, okay? In this worksheet, I'll just give you the questions of which you have to find out the answers of your own. This time I'm not going to tell you the answers, okay, because we have discussed with the question answers as well of all the exercises questions. So in this worksheet, I'll just give you the questions, you have to do the answers, okay, you have to find out the answers and you have to do it of your own. See children, now in this chapter we have studied about what? Yes, about what is a computer. The computer is an electronic machine, okay, it works on the instructions that is given by the user, okay. Then we have studied about the various functions, okay. The main functions of computer is what? Yes, it takes the input, means entering the data, then processing the data and then giving the result, okay. So children, also we have studied about what? Yes, about the two parts of computer, hardware and software, okay, hardware and software. Again, hardware, the part of the computer that we can touch or we can see. Software are the parts of computer that we cannot touch, okay. These are the simply codes, okay. These are the programs, set of programs that is used to perform some activity on the computer, okay. Next, we have studied about the various hardware is also divided into 4 parts. What? Input devices, output devices, processing devices and storage devices. Also, we have studied about the examples of those devices. Next, we have studied about the softwares. 2 types of software are there, system software and application software. System softwares specially designed for the computer so that a computer can run, okay. It manages and it controls all the activities of a computer, the whole computer, all the activities of a computer. Next, application software, what it does? Application software, it is designed for a specific purpose, okay. It is just designed for humans only. Like if you want to listen some music, we can use VLC media player or Windows media player, okay. If I want to watch video, if I want to listen to the audio, I have to use a software, okay. So these kind of software which are specially designed for the particular purpose. Means Windows media player is a software that is used to watch the video, listen to the audios, but we cannot do anything else with it. We cannot type on this software. Okay children, so it is designed for only one specific purpose. Got it? So children, now what? Let us get started with the worksheet part. Okay? This was the introduction. This was all about what we have studied in this chapter. Okay? Now, let us get started with the worksheet. Okay? Be ready with your pencil and notebook. Okay? And now, note down all the questions which has been given you on the screen. Okay? Let's get started. Children, here comes our first question. Take the right option. Okay? Now, the first part. A computer is an electronic machine that works on the principle of dash cycle. Options are A, IPO, option B, POI, option C, OPI. Now, next question, second part. Before proceeding with the rest of the part, let me make you clear one thing, that you have to write down the direct answer. Here I am giving you the 3 options, but in the notebook, you have to write down the answer. Okay, whatever in these three options, whatever is the answer, you have to write it down in your notebook. No need to note down all the three options, okay? Just write down the correct answer. Got it, children? Now come to the second part. The physical parts of a computer are called, options are software, B, hardware, and C, operating system. Now, the third question, a set of instructions that perform a specific task on a computer system is called dash. Options are A, software, B, hardware, C, output. Okay. Now, fourth one, dash is the main software program with whose help a computer runs and performs all its essential tasks. Okay. Options are A, application software, B, system software, C, MS Word. Okay. Now, come to the fifth one. The dash software performs one special kind of task. The options are A, system software, B, application software, C, utility software. Now come to the next part, sixth. MS Paint is an example of dash software. Options are A, antivirus, B, system software, and C, application software. Okay. Now this is the question number 1. Now let's move on to question number 2. Okay. Here the question number 2 is, name the following. The first question is, two parts of computer. Here you have to write down the answer. Okay. You have to write down the two parts of computer. Next, second point. 4 parts of hardware. See children, hardware is divided into 4 parts. What are they? Just recall it and write it down in your notebook. Third part, 2 input devices. Here you have to give the example of 2 input devices. Okay. Now, fourth one, 2 output devices. Also here you have to give the example of 2 output devices. Okay. Now, fifth one, 3 main functions of computer. Now children, what are the 3 main functions of computer? Just recall it. Just open your book and find it out. Okay. And then write it down in the notebook. Okay. Now, sixth one, 2 storage devices. Here you have to write down the example of 2 storage devices. Okay. Seventh, 2 types of software. As you all know, what are the 2 types of software? Yes, children. Just recall it and then write down the answer. Okay. Now, 8th part. 3 examples of application software. Here you have to write down the 3 examples of application software. Okay, children. Now, 9th. 3 examples of system software. Here you have to write down the 3 examples of system software. Okay. Now, children, come to question number 3. Match the following. Okay. Now, here in the first column, it is written first computer, second input, third input process, fourth hardware, and fifth one is software. And in the second column, here are the options: A, MS Word, B, electronic device, C, CPU, D, output, and E, data entered into the computer. Now what you have to do, you have to match column 1 with the column 2. Now children, here what you have to do, you have to write down the direct answer. Like suppose in column 1, first part is computer. So whatever is the answer in the column 2, you have to write down it directly in front of it. Okay. Do not use the slanting lines to match it. Okay. Just write down the direct answer in front of it. Got it, children? Okay. Now, here comes question number 4. Collect pictures of various storage devices from magazines, internet, etc. and make a chart on types of storage devices. See children, storage devices are what? Yes children, these are the devices which helps us to store the data. Okay, now what you have to do, in this chapter we have studied about the various storage devices. No? Like what? Hard disk, CD, DVD, these are the storage devices. Pen drive, okay? These all are the storage devices. Now just take the help from the internet or from the book, from wherever you find the pictures, just paste it in your computer notebook, okay? And also write down the name at the bottom of it. Got my point, children? Okay, so this is an activity. This activity I'm going to give you. This you have to do, okay, by yourself. Just take help from the internet and from the books. Got it, children? Now, children, this is now in this worksheet, okay? It is kind of a revision type. I just want to know that how much you have studied this chapter, how much you have learned the topics. This is only because of that, okay? So you have to write down the proper answers. In case if you are not getting the answers, if you are not doing the answers, so just don't send me the incomplete work. At least note down the questions and just leave the space for the answer. I'll just reply you back with the answers. Got it, children? So just note down all the questions. If there is any query, you can mail me. You can ask me through mail. Okay? But make sure to note down all the questions in your notebook. Okay? This worksheet is very, very important. Got it, children? So this is enough for today in this video. I'll take your leave. We will be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.